Hello my dear students, in this lecture we will see how the PCC is being done for this particular building, right? So, so you see here, these people are preparing this mixed design. What is that? It is a M10 grade of concrete and the ratio is how much? 1 is to 4 is to 8. It is M7.5. M10 comes out to be 1 is to 3 is to 6. It is 1 is to 4 is to 8 here. It's a M7.5 grade. Okay. And now actually what they are doing, see here we have done the dewatering, but still there was slight water left. Now directly we will not put the PCC over this. What will happen if I directly put the PCC over this? So let us consider, so let us consider if I directly put the PCC over this, what will happen? No, so once we put the PCC, I'm supposed to do a small compaction over that, with the help of that earth rammer. So the moment I do a compaction, what will happen? This water will go up. Again the cement and the cement particles will try to go down. So there won't be a good bonding between them. So that is why, to avoid that, what we are doing, we are going to put hard stones here first. You can see that, okay? So you can see rocks kept here. These are big kind of a boulders. So these boulders we are going to put first, and after that we are going to insert this. This is dust powder what we have brought, okay? So what will happen by doing that? Now you can see we have put the boulders. Now once you put the PCC here, and once you do the ramming activity, it won't come up, like the water won't splash up, and also there will be proper compaction to the PCC. If you don't do in this way, directly if you put the PCC over this, what will happen? This water will, you can see how it is splashing, no? When you do the ramming also same thing will happen. Again you will not get a hard strata there. I mean it won't be a uniform then. That is why we are doing this activity. Okay, now you can see. Now once we fill the dust into this, you'll get some a kind of a hard strata here, and then if you put the PCC, nothing is going to happen. So that is why, this is why we are putting the boulders now. Since we have that water, that water cannot be removed. Even if you pump, pump will not come. I mean through the pump the water will not come. Hence we are using that. Now you can see here they kept the inclined chute here, okay? And now as an engineer, you know what all are the quality checks you're supposed to do, okay? Everything you have to look into the checklist, and through the checklist you will do the execution. The concrete mixer is ready here. They have they have this rammer here, okay? And sides also they have put a kind of a small formwork, that is okay. And you can see they have done a marking here. If you observe it correctly, you can see a small line thread which is being put here. So this indicates that up to this height you are supposed to do the PCC. That will be 75 mm or 100 mm, whatever is mentioned. So all these are a nominal mix. We have seen, what is nominal mix. With the help of a mixer, this is how we are, everything is volumetric batching here. See, water also through a bucket is putting, this coarse aggregate, fine aggregate through that butti. We call that butti in the local language. So everything is based on the volume. There is no way batching here. You are not measuring any of the materials, right? So that is why it is called as volumetric batching. And here, since it is a PCC, we know what should be the size of the coarse aggregate. It has to be 40 mm, okay? Yeah, so we'll go forward now. Similarly, there they have done that. Again, a little bit of stone you have to put over there. And finally, once you, now if you pour the concrete, now if you pour the concrete here, that is a PCC, and if you do the compaction, then what will happen? It is not in contact with the water, this much area, so this water won't splash up, and you are going to get a uniform layer. Otherwise, if you put directly PCC here, see here you don't have stones, then water will splash up. Again you will not get a uniform, that compaction will not happen, okay? That means, see this water, what will happen? Once you pour the concrete here, okay, and once you do the ramming, the water will come up in this way. It is going to splash. So I don't want that to happen, so I'm putting a bigger stones here, and dust particles into that. Now if I place a concrete here, then this thing splashing will not happen. That is why we are putting the boulders here, since we have water in that region. Yeah, so I hope you have enjoyed the lecture up to here. We'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.